I just had to let you know you're.
Good morning, students. I am Olanda Mantao. I am Freda Duata.
I am Yusuf Baduto.
I am Makoba Antefni. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. So before we proceed to our proper discussion, I want you to all please stand up to begin our prayer. Angel of God, my guardian here, to the God who is here.
Every day, be at my side, to light and guard, the root and guide. Amen.
Thank you, everyone. So please keep your seats.
Thank you, ma'am.
So for all the applicable attendance, who's absent for today?
None.
Oh, very good. Perfect attendance. So for our review, what was our lesson last meeting? Okay, Miss Samantha.
Riddles po, ma'am.
Yes, that is our topic class reading. Okay, so good morning, class. Before we proceed to our proper discussion, let us first have an activity. So guess the picture. First picture, what is this story?
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. Have you ever watched this story?
Yes, teacher. No,
Yes,
she
she
has a long, long hair.
Yes, next picture. Next picture.
Cinderella, teacher.
Cinderella.
The one who lost his shoe.
Okay, very good. Next picture.
Beauty and the Beast. That is Belle.
Very
The
good.
queen who married the beast.
Yes, very good. Next picture.
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping
Beauty.
Very good. Next picture.
Tinkerbell.
Have you ever watched this?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
very good. Okay, so after that, I have here 8 questions. First question is, what do you notice about the picture? Yes, Ayan.
They are all fairy tale stories, teacher.
Yes, very good. These pictures are from famous fairy tales that many children enjoy reading and watching. Next question. Have you heard or watched about this story before? Yes, Camille?
Yes, teacher. I watched Cinderella before.
Yes, very good. So Cinderella is a popular fairy tale that teaches kindness and fairness. Next question. What lessons can we learn from this story? Yes, Sam?
We should be kind to others.
Yes, very good, because kindness is one important lesson in fairy tale. Okay, so now we're going to proceed to discussion. So, good morning, class. So, all of the picture you have seen earlier is connected to our topic, which is the fairy tale. So, what is fairy tale? Who wants to answer? Okay, so who wants to read? Okay, Miss Camille.
Fairy tales are supernatural or wondrous stories with specific elements. They typically include simple characters who follow familiar plots. These stories are commonly confused with folk tales, but they have three distinctions. Folk tales are verbally passed down to generations within communities, whereas fairy tales must be written down.
Yes, very good. So, when we say fairy tale, it is a fictional story that contains magical or supernatural elements, such as fairy tales, witches, or talking animals. So,
introductions, let's proceed to the application. The title of our activity for today is Change and Add. I will read the instruction. Students will be given time to finish the activity. Each student will have to fill up with a pair of stories that they have watched or read, and they will change the ending of it. For example, what if Cinderella did not lose her shoe? Number 2, what do you think would be the ending? Number 3, write in a one-fold sheet of paper. I given you a 5 minutes to answer. Okay, class. Time is up. Miss Raida, please give your answer.
I chose Little Red Riding Hood. What if she didn't talk to the wolf? So the ending will be she ignores the wolf, follows her mother's warning, and reaches Grandma's house safely. Woodcutters chase the wolf away. Listening to advice keeps them safe.
So next, Miss Alondra, please give your answer.
So my answer is Snow White. So what if the hunter spared her and told her the truth? So the hunter warns her about the queen. Snow White hides with the dwarfs, refuses the queen's poison apple, and the queen falls into a raven. She marries a prince and lives happily.
Okay.
That's all.
So last, Miss Camille.
So I chose Rapunzel for teachers. What if she didn't let the witch climb up? She refuses to let the witch climb up, uses her hair to climb down herself, escapes the tower, finds a new home, and falls in love, and she sets herself free.
So thank you everyone. Please clap your hands.